Good morning and welcome to your short-term rental bulletin on Monday, the 11th of May. So this is a story that happened on the 6th of April, but I thought it was really relevant to talk about it now because even though it happened in the US, it was a $250 million check that happened within the short-term rental industry. And this is something that a lot of us have been talking about for a while, is a general professionalization of the industry, and it's happening in the US and it's coming to Europe. So what exactly happened? So TowneBank has sold Towne Vacations to Belcrest Vacations Acquisitions, $250 million cash. So that's 3,000 homes across the Southeast and Mid-Atlantic, 340 staff, and that works out to be a 4.3 times multiple. So the buyer is interesting, right? So the buyer is a brand new platform backed by Alpine Investors. So that's the same private equity firm that bought AirDNA. So Belcrest didn't exist a year ago. It's been built up specifically to roll up regional vacation rental brands. And it's not alone. ViewStay launched out of Vacasa markets. Avari did the same, and Stayterra and Avari and Monarch in Europe. Eterniti just raised 50 million euros to consolidate luxury villas, and Host absorbed Hostmaker years ago. The Vacasa era of one venture funded giant is dead. What's replacing it is half a dozen well-capitalized regional roll-ups buying up legacy operators at 4 to 5 times revenue. If you run a property management company in Europe, I think this is a pretty big signal. The buyers are circling, the multiples are real, and the next 12 months are when this consolidation, I think, could hit our side of the Atlantic. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.